Hi, my name's Alicia Oliver, and I'm going to show you my website I designed. It's called Hip Savers, and it is a nonprofit to put in walk-in tubs and showers in elderly people's homes that could not afford it otherwise. Um, so I've got an overview here, and and then I, this is just the overview, and each donations and volunteers, and then customers and sponsors. And these are basically what we need as an operation to be able to do this for elderly people. Um, Without the donations, we wouldn't have the money to put the tubs and showers into the people's homes. Without volunteers, we couldn't find the people, nor could we find people to donate. And without customers, we'd have no one else to put the tubs and showers in their homes. And the sponsors help us with product as well as financial help. Um, I use the colors yellow, blue, and green. Yellow because it gives a warm and cozy effect, and it arouses cheerfulness and generates muscle energy, which a lot of elderly people don't have a lot of muscle anymore. So to get in and out of a bathtub with a really high step on it is dangerous for them, and sometimes they just can't get out, so they have to call 911 or relatives to come and help them get out. I chose blue for the depth of stability, and for tranquility and calmness. And I chose green for growth because we all continue to grow, and elderly people are growing towards being more dependable, but they want to still stay independent. And these tubs and showers allow them to do that because they don't have to worry about getting in and out of showers. They have these bars that help them to um, not fall. And that is a lot of their concern when they take showers and baths. The hardest thing I think I had was putting these buttons here to these donate buttons. I could not figure out how to get them out of the paragraph, and so on just on that one, I don't know. The rest of them looked okay. Another thing that I had a problem with was the what was it? Was getting the pictures aligned. Um, and one other thing is I could not figure out how to minimize. Instead of this being a menu, it ended up being just a list for uh for a smaller for I guess for a mobile. And also these words were ended up being too small. As it grows, it gets bigger, but um and it moves with it, but it gets too small. So those are the things I had a problem with, but overall, I liked my web page. Um, Probably one of the most difficult classes I've taken because I don't know, it didn't click for me. But I was thankful that I got to try this class, and I'm thankful that of what I was able to accomplish. So I'm glad I was able to take this class with you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.